Hi guys, I am Leia Daya and welcome to our vlog. And in today's video, we're going to discuss the for loop structure using C++ language. And Mardy Macubihon will going to discuss what is for loop. And Jane Alpecha will going to explain the algorithm and flowchart. Cherise Medensa will going to show us how to code a for loop. And Justin Naranjo will discuss the importance of looping in programming. So let's go.
In this video, I'm going to discuss a for loop. What is for loop? For loop is a repeat statement while condition remains true, like the while loop. For loop provides specific locations to contain an initialization statement and increase statement. This loop is especially designed to perform a repetitive action with a counter which is initialized and increased on each iteration. A for statement has the following syntax, which is the initialization, condition, increment. The initialization is executed once before the loop begins. The statement is executed until the condition becomes false. The increment portion is executed at the end of each iteration.
Importance of looping in programming. Looping is very useful and important in programming. Example, suppose you do not know ahead of time how many times you wanted to repeat a certain sequence of instructions, but the number of times might be different each time you run the program. Writing a loop which uses variables for its limits is often the best way to do this and the easiest to understand. Even if you know the instructions will be repeated a constant number of times. Using a loop means not having to copy and paste the code. This has several advantages.
Algorithm is a step-by-step recipe for solving an instance of a problem. Whatever problem we have, we can be able to solve it step by step. Chart, pictorial representing step-by-step instructions to solve a problem. This is our algorithm. Step 1, we put start. Step 2, initialize variables x is equivalent to 1. Step 3, check for condition x is less than and equal to 10. Step 4, if the condition is true, then go to step 5, otherwise go to step 7. Step 5, initialize command increment x plus plus. Step 6, go back again to step 4, the condition. Then step 7, print good job. Step 8, this will be the stop of our program. So this is the diagram of our algorithm. This is our flowchart. In for loop, we start here, the beginning. Next, here, proceed in the rectangle. We put variable x is equivalent to 1. And then next, proceed to the condition. The condition here is x is less than and equal to 10. So if it is true, then print the x. After print the x, we will increment here, which is an x plus plus. Here in the x plus plus, we put addition. So, example, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So, x is equal to 2. After that, we go back to the condition here. And then, we continue adding until we reach the 10. After we reach the 10, we will proceed to the next here in the rectangle, which is it print good job. And after that, we proceed here, the stop. It will stop our program.
Here's our program. I'm using C++ shell compiler. So I already input the hashtag include IOV stream. So IOV stream, this means, or this stands for input and output stream. So meaning to say, it is the library of all the definition that you use in the code or in the program. So next is the using namespace std and the int main meaning it is the entry point of our program. So I input the bracket, and now is the for 4 and the open parenthesis. So we start in the initialization. We input the variable x, that is equal to 1, and then the semicolon, which means it will separate the initialization and the condition. So the next is we input the condition. So the condition is x is less than or equal to 10. So, and then the semicolon again, and then the command, which is the increment. So mean to say it is x plus plus and the close parenthesis. And so I will put again the close parenthesis because nawala siya. And then next is we put a bracket, and then we see out or we print x, and then we put end L and the semicolon. Next is the close bracket, and we see out again. See out, I mean to say I put good job, so we print good job. Good job. Print good job. And then wait. After we see out good job, we put, I forgot the parenthesis, the semicolon rather, and we put return 0 and the close bracket, and then we try to run our program. There's an error, I think in the line 11. The returns, I will change it to T. That's return. They try to run. Okay, the program is successful, so it will run. So I will start to explain our program. So here we input in the initialization is we input x is equal to 1. So the condition is if x is less than to and equal to 10, so we need to say if we increment, so 1, which is less than to 10, is plus 1, so that's 2, and then we print x. It will print x, and then again after that it will return to the condition, which is if x is less than or equal to 10, so meaning to say it will increment again, so meaning to say 2 is plus 1, so it will become 3. So 3 is less than or equal to 10, so that's less than, so it will print again the x, and then it will increment again. So 3 plus 1, it will become 4. So 4 is less than and equal to 10, so it will print again the x, and then it will go again to the command, which is increment, so it will plus again 1, so 4 plus 1, so meaning to 5, that is less than to 10, so it will print again the x until it will go back again to the command, which is increment, until it will reach to 10. So if 10 is equal, less than or equal to 10, so that's true again, it will print x, and then it will go again to the command. So if 10, which is x plus 1, so it will become 11. So 11 is less than or equal to 10. That's false already because it is 11, so it will see out good job, and then that will the end of the program. So That's it. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you had understand it and you've learned something about it, about for loop. Thank you.